Hi guys, this is Lorena Young from LY Jewelry, and today I'd like to show you an amazing and really beautiful Navajo sterling silver 925 with lots of turquoise stones. The turquoise are Ajax turquoise and they're natural. The total weight of the turquoise is a huge 700 carats. 700 carats of natural turquoise. So it's really amazing. It's really a really big piece of fine jewelry. It's a really long necklace. The length is 24 inches long. And it's really well crafted in sterling silver 925. It's also signed by a really good artist. His name is Ray Delgarito. And this necklace, well, it has a very good weight because of its size. It's pretty substantial. The total weight is 219.4 grams. I'm gonna turn this over so you can see the back of this necklace. So you can see it has a signed the stamp, sterling, and the stamp of this really good artist, Ray Delgarito. This was originally the price $3,000, but we are pricing it at $1,188. So not this price, but at $1,188, and that's including shipping for free, nationwide or international. If you're not in the United States, let us know so we can find a good shipping option for you if you're interested in owning this piece. But yeah, I mean, this is really unique. This will go perfectly well with a dress or with a special wardrobe or something that you want to wear for a special night or a special event. This is not something that perhaps you will wear every day. This is for a really special occasion. It's a really beautiful necklace made of solid sterling silver. Navajo Native American sterling silver necklace. Let me show you really quick the clasp. So it has the clasp right here, very secure. Thank you guys for watching this video, and always remember to represent your love, commitment, and personality through jewelry. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.